lighter, you know. Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video of your boy, the one and only Billy the Car Guy. So in today, this video is really gonna be about just me giving a review on the shortshifter adapter I've ordered 1 week ago. Yeah, it's been 1 week, just like that. So I've been driving the car for a whole week, and my personal perspective on the shortshifter is pretty good. Like you literally feel that the throw of the shifters is relatively shorter. I don't know how much percentage. Let's say I'm gonna give it a number. Let's say 15%, even though somebody will correct me. But you can definitely feel the difference. Like, for example, right now it's a neutral. No, previously without the adapter, neutral was here. Now this is fourth gear. This is neutral, so it severely changed. So basically right now, like first the clutch in, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth and so forth. And what also I've realized that before without the adapter or shifter on, it was somewhat difficult or somewhat hectic to get in reverse. But now it's simple. It's just like one click. Yeah, and basically it's for the price, it's really good. Granted, you can go let's say even more expensive shift adapters. I'll literally put pictures either here or here of the different other types of short shift adapters. Granted, I'll give you guys a more visual look of what the other shifters entitled, or literally what everything. So first things first, this is also for me to check if the bolts are literally, if everything is still good. Gotta be very careful on how I take this hybridization shift knob so it don't fall. Yeah, come on. I'm gonna literally cut this so you guys can see what I mean. We are back. I managed to take this off because it's good. I'm just leaving it dangling right here. So to my knowledge, to what I've seen, everything is still good. No bolts is backed out. Everything is still Gucci. Even this, like, I've seen videos of people like literally, like, when they're taking this off, they take this whole metal clip out. I don't know why, because I when I was installing, I never took that that thing off, because like, imagine, like, the dude even says, like, if this thing falls off, you cannot find it. I just like lift it up, pull it back, it stays on, and then easy prop back on. Easy as that. I don't know why some people make their lives so difficult. Like, bro, keep it simple, fam. I don't know why some people just love making it like difficult. But yeah, so this is literally the short shift adapter I bought off of AKR Performance, and for the price, it's really good. It was smooth sailing, easy, just, yeah. So to give you guys another perspective on other type of shifters, I don't know names, but other type of shifters, literally you literally replace this whole thing. Just remove the bolts, those plugs from the cables, and further down there you have the cables you have to pry out. Then you pull this entire shifter out and you put in. And the difference is because that instead of putting an adapter on this one, the where the ball sits, they extended it, so it's a drop-in short shifter. So you placing this entire thing, and yeah. But if you want to go the easy route, you can do this one. If you want to go the mid difficulty, you can pull this out. And if you want to like literally go the whole way, you can get the hybrid racing that I've known, that it's like you can adjust the throw, like literally from the handle, from everything you can adjust. But for me, this gets the job done. And yeah, not that I'm saying that I cannot swap it out, you know, but it's basically, this car is basically more of a daily driver. Like if you want to get a short shifter, either get this one or the one you just literally just dropped in easy. Just like remove these four bolts, those balls connecting, and the cables down there, and then put it back on. Not that I'm saying that the hybrid racing is different, maybe. I'm just saying that the hybrid racing and other more aggressive, it's more aggressive to racing, blah blah blah. And me, I'm literally just wanna build this car so I can take it to a track and circuit and just enjoy the car. So, but yeah, me, like I said, if you wanna just to get the feel of a short shifter, this one works pretty well. And for the money, yeah. So I'm gonna literally just put this back in, push this in. Oh yes, put this back in. Yeah, I'm literally just gonna put everything back together, and it's very simple. So, and I literally liked it. It's I wanted to put a short shifter years ago on my Altezza, but I was talking to a friend, and the friend said, you know when people don't want you to literally experience the let's say the good things, they try to discourage you. That's one thing I've learned, and I encourage everybody, literally everybody, don't let nobody discourage you. If you want to go and do something, go and do something. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise, because literally, bro, you'll be regretting saying why. Do not, man. Just go on and do what you have to do. And yeah, basically the short shifter, picking this and getting the car was literally something I want to do that nobody, I till this day, I do not regret doing anything since I bought this car, or anything I ever did. I do not regret. Go for your dreams. Do it. Do it because you love it. Do it because you want to. Do it because it's your life. Don't let nobody judge you. It's your life, baby. It's your life. But, bro, maybe in the near future, I don't know, I'm not saying if this car ever in the near future decided to become a full truck car, like drag or let's say circuit, time attack, I'm literally gonna go full, change the shift shifter. I'm gonna go full, like this entire dash is gonna be the whole, like my operating system for fan, fuel, fan, anything, a whole panel right here. Change this whole dash. The steering wheel, it might change this thing. Oh, and I'm literally in the works of getting some bits, some interior, exterior bits to make the car look nicer, feel nicer, drive nicer, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm literally right now, I'm gonna go I'm literally gonna go be more consistent on this car, because literally this car, I want it. This car is perfectly, but I have to put my Billy the Car Guy taste to it, and because the future of this car is gonna be boosted. So yeah, I don't know. I still don't have the let's say the mount, like to put a head or whatever, to literally, or I can do like Mike like literally put it in my mouth, but that's his thing. I'm just gonna like buy the whole head piece or whatever, something to so I can get some PVC driving, but in the near future, man, in the near future. But Mr. Gear right there. Yep, that's one thing also with the short shifter, man. You really gotta, the gears are way, the gears are different, like not different, the where the position of the gear, the speed of gears, they're different. I just a while ago, I missed third gear. I had to really, like, that's third. No, but it's hilarious, man, bro. Yeah, it's hilarious. But nah, sorry for that. But anyway, stay tuned, stay on the lookout, stay tuned for the next video, cause like I got some things coming for this car, and I also I got some things coming that's not car related. But anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay frosty.